Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 45 Fox Street, Unit 2, and this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in Worcester, Massachusetts. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front here. So to my right, that's the front door, coming in from the front hallway. And once you get in, you're greeted by this beautiful living room area. All of the floors in here are just shining right now. The polish just looks like it's coming off so great, very reflective, very smooth. And that's the case for all the hardwoods in here. And this is the living room. So it's got kind of a similar setup. If you've seen some of the apartments in Worcester, you'll know the style of the kind of a double living room thing, either a living room and living room or living room and dining room. So 2 parlor rooms, as they would call it. And a lot of space in these ones. A lot of space, lots of light coming in from these tall ceilings. And it's very nice to see. I'm just going to try to go around and give you the best idea of the dimensions of the place as I can, just by going in the corners and everything like that. But you'll be able to see the individually adjustable baseboard heaters as well. And those are kind of throughout the apartment, but you can see them here. One thing I really like about this living room is that it's separatable. So there's 3 bedrooms, not including this. So this wouldn't be classified as a bedroom, but it does have this. So there are doors that come out from the insides of the wall, and then you can make it so that maybe there's 2 functions going on, one in here and one in there, kind of dual purpose, and really nice, very well built. Just slide really easily back into the wall and then back into the frame. So that's the 2 living rooms right there. Other 2 bedrooms are going to be through the kitchen, but right off the living room, you have this one very nice, very spacious bedroom over here. Got the electric, I believe they're electric baseboard heaters. It could be gas. I just double check with the description. But either way, very nice in here, very pretty spacious. Same thing with the hardwoods is in here as was in there as well. And so that's that bedroom. Over here is going to be the kitchen. So this is the kitchen area. You got a 4-burner gas stove over there, plus a dishwasher and a stainless steel fridge. So you kind of have all the appliances that you would need in the full set right here. Plus the granite style countertops, a stainless steel sink bin with the spray nozzle. So very good. To the left of the fridge, that goes out to the rear exit. So it's the common area exit on the right. And yeah, and it's very, very nice in here too. Also big, also with the shiny floors. Very homey when you come into this kitchen here. Now here's the 2nd bedroom. So in order that we've been going, this is bedroom number 2. And I would say the first one in there is probably going to be the biggest one. We'll take a look at the other one in there. Maybe that one's a little bigger too. But easily big enough for, a queen-size bed plus a, maybe a queen-size bed plus a desk or a dresser. Then over here is the other 2 rooms. So this one's a bathroom. This bathroom here, it's got the fan. I think one of those switches is just for the fan, but it's got the full bath, full shower, and then here's the washer and dryer machines. So you got the washer and dryer right there, the toilet. Looks very nice. It's almost like a vanity mirror, the way that the lights are just above the mirror. And that's really cool to see. Towel rack already installed. So very nice bathroom in this place. A little bit of extra storage with these cabinets, and then even a small shelf could be put in between them to kind of make it whole. And here's the last bedroom. So looking at all 3 of them, I think the second one would probably be the smallest because this one's feeling a little bit bigger. Very open, lots of more light even coming through this one with the windows that it has. So very nice in here. And here's the other angles of it just so you can see. And like always, if you want to see a full list of the vacancies of the apartments that we have, you can go to nexuswor.com/for-rent to see our for-rent page and set something up with a leasing agent today, including this one at the time of this recording. And once again, this was 45 Fox Street, Unit 2, and this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.